Good morning, everyone. This is As Mohammed Khan, and I welcome you in today's segment. In our previous class, student, we have discussed about fuel efficiency, calorific value. Today, we will discuss about the harmful effect of fuels during burning. Yes, student. At the time of the burning, all the fuels release the harmful gases in the environment, and due to the releasing of those harmful gases we have air pollution. Now what is air pollution, student? When undesirable or unwanted substances are mixed in air and disturb the composition of air, then that is known as air pollution. So due to the burning of the fuel, what we have air pollution, and air pollution is harmful for our environment. It is harmful for all the living beings, and with this it is also harmful for the vegetation, student, for the forests, for the plants. It is harmful. Like due to the burning of the fuels, we have the different diseases, and these diseases may fall harmful effect on our respiratory system, and we may have asthma, student. Means when the unburnt carbon or sulfur particles are entered in our lungs, then we may have asthma. So asthma reason is burning of fuel. Now from where we have the pollution? We may have the pollution due to the burning of the fuels in the industry, student, because in the industries most of the manufacturing is done with the help of fossil fuels. By burning the fossil fuels, heat and light energy is obtained, and that heat and light energy is used in the manufacturing of different products. And in this process, student, there are many harmful gases are released. Like from the rubber industries or tire manufacturing industries, there is one important gas, harmful gas is released, student. It is sulfur dioxide. And in the plastic industries, there is another harmful gas is released. It is nitrogen oxide, NO2. With this, most of the fuel release carbon dioxide. If we speak about the fossil fuel, student, then the most of the fossil fuels released in the environment the most poisonous gas, student, and it is carbon monoxide. So these are the harmful gases that are released from the industries. With this, the automobile transports that we use for traveling, or we also use to send the loads from one place to another. In the loading, we use the automobile transport, and all the automobile transport also release the harmful gases in the environment. And these gases come in the environment, and what they do, they disturb the composition of air. With this, at our home we use LPG, liquid petroleum gas, but in the rural areas people use wood as fuel. So wood and LPG also release the harmful gases, student, and they may release carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide in the environment, and these gases disturb the composition of air. How, student? Because the air contains, if we speak about the pure air, then it contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other particles or other gases. But when these harmful gases mix with this, then what they do, they disturb the composition of air, and that disturbance is known as air pollution. Now, air pollution cause the asthma to human being. With this, if we use more fossil fuel, then at that time in the environment, one harmful gas is released, student, and it is carbon monoxide. Most of the fossil fuels like coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, what they release? They release the most poisonous gas in the environment, and that gas is known as carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, CO. Carbon monoxide, it is the formula of carbon monoxide, student. And this carbon oxide is the most poisonous gas. When it enters inside our body and it mixes up with the hemoglobin, then it makes carboxyhemoglobin, and the carboxyhemoglobin is poisonous in nature, and many times the person persons lose their life due to the entering of carbon monoxide in their body, especially in the winter season, student. When the people put the angitis at their room, in their room, then those angitis have the coal, and that coal release the carbon monoxide, and that carbon monoxide is taken by the human beings. When they take it, then they may die. So it is the most poisonous gas, carbon monoxide. So these are the two main harmful effects of the burning of fuel. First, it causes asthma. Second, it may kill the persons if the carbon monoxide is taken by them in breathing. So what should we do? We should use these fossil fuel in the minimum way. In minimizing way, we should use them. If we use them in a limited way, in the reduced form, or we use the CNG, compressed natural fuel, that is also considered as cleaner fuel, then we can protect our environment, and we can also protect the life. Because all the living organisms need oxygen only, or they need the pure air. If the air composition is disturbed, then that disturbance falls adverse effect on the life of living beings. So we should use the fossil fuel in reduced form, in the minimum form, student. In short form, we should use them. So it is about the harmful effect of burning of fuel. Now we come another harmful effect. Burning of the fuel falls the adverse effect on the environment. Due to the burning of the fuel, we may have acid rain and global warming. Now what is acid rain, student? Means when these harmful gases are released in the environment, like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, then what they do? They react with the water vapor, and due to the reaction with water vapor, they form acid or When they move up means that acid vapor moves up, then that acidic vapor makes the acidic clouds in the sky, and those acidic clouds cause acid rain, and acid rain is harmful for all the living beings, and it is also harmful for the building student. For the buildings it is harmful. Like if we speak about the Taj Mahal, then the Taj Mahal had white color, but now that white color has changed into cream color, student, into yellowish color. Due to which reason, due to which harmful effect? It is due to acid rain, and acid rain also corrode the marble. So student, it is about acid rain. Now there is another harmful effect that we have due to the burning of the fuel. It is global warming. Most of the fuel, student, release carbon dioxide, and due to the high concentration of the carbon dioxide, it makes blanket like structure around the earth, from which the heat of the earth is trapped, and due to that trapping of the heat of the earth, the temperature of the earth is increased, and that increasing of the temperature is known as global warming. And due to the global warming, student, the glaciers that are found on the mountains, those glaciers are melting day by day, and due to that melting, the water level of the earth is increasing, and we are also facing the problem of floods. So it is about the global warming and another harmful effect of burning of fuel, student. So it is about the harmful effect. Now you will try to write and learn these harmful effects in your notebook.